Today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We are always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Welcome to the place where we unlock the secrets of the universe and use them to manifest our desires. Today's video is all about attracting wealth and abundance into your life. Take a slow, deep breath. Let yourself relax. Close your eyes if you wish. As you listen, repeat these affirmations with belief. Feel them becoming your truth. Now let's begin. I attract wealth with ease and confidence. Money is a positive energy that flows to me constantly. I am open to new opportunities that bring me prosperity. Abundance surrounds me in every moment. I deserve to be financially secure and free. Wealth is drawn to me because I think abundantly. I am grateful for the money I have and for the money still to come. Every day, my income increases. Money arrives from multiple sources, both expected and unexpected. I release fear and doubt, and I embrace financial freedom. I believe in my ability to create unlimited wealth. I take inspired actions that lead me to prosperity. The universe provides me with everything I need to thrive. I welcome wealth, success, and opportunities into my life. I am aligned with abundance in all forms. Money enhances my life and allows me to help others. Financial success is part of who I am. I deserve abundance, and I claim it now. Repeat after me. I am abundant. I am prosperous. I am free. Take a few deep breaths and feel the power of these affirmations deep within you. Repeat them daily to reinforce your belief in abundance. Visualize yourself already enjoying the wealth and prosperity that is coming your way. See yourself making wise financial decisions and living a life of abundance. Feel the joy and gratitude that accompany your financial success. Remember, you have the power to create your financial future. Believe in yourself, trust in the universe, and take inspired action towards your goals. Stay open to receiving the blessings that await you. Opportunities will present themselves, and you'll be ready to seize them. As we conclude this session, I want you to know that prosperity is already yours. It's within your reach. Trust in the flow of wealth and allow it to expand in your life. Release any doubts or fears that may be blocking the flow of abundance. Replace them with positive affirmations and visualizations. To enhance your manifestation practice, click the link in my YouTube profile bio to attract money before month end. This will amplify your efforts and bring forth even greater prosperity. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quantum Manifestor for more daily abundance. Join our community and share your experiences with like-minded individuals who are also on their abundance journey. Together, we can uplift each other and celebrate our successes. As you step into this world of infinite possibilities, I encourage you to remain open and receptive to the abundant blessings that await you. Trust in the divine timing of your financial breakthrough. It's on its way. Have faith in the process and in yourself. Before we part ways, I want to leave you with a final note of encouragement. You are capable of achieving financial freedom and abundance. It's within your grasp. Believe in your dreams, stay positive, and take inspired action. The universe is conspiring to bring forth your prosperity. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May your life be filled with abundance, joy, and success. Until next time, keep manifesting and stay tuned for more empowering content. Remember, you are abundant, you are prosperous, you are free. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the Quantum Manifestor for more videos like this. Your support means everything to us. Thanks for watching.